Ever wondered why people say bless you when you sneeze? You might think it's just polite, but the real reason is kind of creepy. Back in the 6th century, a deadly plague was sweeping through Europe. People believed sneezing was the first sign of infection, but Pope Gregory I had an idea, saying bless you was meant to protect you from sickness, or even evil spirits trying to steal your soul. Therefore, the phrase stuck, and centuries later, we still say it. Even though we're not fighting the plague anymore, here's the wildest parts. Some cultures don't say bless you at all. In Japan, people just ignore sneezes completely. So next time someone sneezes, remember, you're not just being polite, you're literally following a medieval superstition.